Easy and delicious dinner ready in minutes. We started by slicing 150 grams of Calabrian sausage. Look how delicious it is. Now let's give it a special touch. Cut up 1 onion and 1 tomato. The onion will bring that sweet taste, and the tomato, freshness. It's a perfect combination. Heat a frying pan with a drizzle of olive oil and add the chopped onion. Let it fry for 3 minutes. The smell will start to invade the kitchen and I bet your mouth will water. Now it's time for the Calabrian sausage. Put it in the frying pan and fry until golden brown. Look at that color. Every second, you'll realize that this recipe can only be wonderful. Meanwhile, take a bowl and add 3 eggs. Now add 3 tablespoons of olives, oregano to taste, black pepper and salt. And don't forget the fried onions. Mix everything together lovingly. The aroma will win you over. Pour this mixture into the frying pan over the Calabrian sausage, cover and cook for 5 minutes. That's when the magic happens. Just feel the anticipation in the air. Now, to add the finishing touch, add slices of tomato, mozzarella cheese and more oregano to taste. Cover again and cook for another 3 minutes. Look how tasty it's getting. I'm almost eating it with my eyes. And here it is. Our meal of Calabrian sausage and eggs is ready to be served. Look how wonderful it is. Isn't it mouth-watering? Did you like this recipe? Then don't forget to follow and like our channel for more delicious tips like this. Bon appetit and see you on your next culinary adventure. You'll love it.